Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn notes easily. We'll start by understanding the musical alphabet and how notes are organized on the staff. Then, we'll explore the role of different clefs in identifying specific notes. Finally, I'll share effective practice techniques and mnemonic devices to help you quickly recall notes and build your musical fluency. The foundation of learning notes is understanding the musical alphabet, which uses letters A through G. These notes repeat in a cyclical pattern across different octaves. The musical staff, with its 5 lines and 4 spaces, provides the framework for writing and reading music. Ledger lines are used to extend the range of notes beyond the standard staff. Clefs are essential for determining the names of notes on the staff. The treble clef, often called the G clef, indicates where the note G above middle C is located. Conversely, the bass clef, or F clef, shows the position of F below middle C. Middle C acts as a bridge between these two common clefs. Consistent practice in both clefs is key. To solidify your note learning, incorporate various practice methods. Flashcards are excellent for rapid note identification. Regularly playing scales and arpeggios on your instrument helps connect the visual note with its physical location and sound. Additionally, creating mnemonic devices, such as Every Good Boy Does Fine for treble clef lines, can significantly boost your recall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.